Samsung One UI 8.5 battery draining fast. In this guide, you'll learn simple step-by-step settings tweaks to reduce power usage, stop background drain, and improve battery life quickly on any Samsung Galaxy device in 2026. Step 1. Reduce refresh rate, motion smoothness. Start by opening your phone's settings app from the home screen or app drawer. Once you're inside settings, scroll down carefully until you find display, then tap it to enter display controls. Inside this menu, look for an option called motion smoothness or sometimes screen refresh rate. Tap on it and switch the setting from high to standard 60 Hz. Finally, press apply to confirm. This helps reduce battery usage because the screen doesn't refresh as often. Step 2. Lower brightness manually. Go back to the display section again. At the top or bottom of the screen, you'll see a brightness slider with a sun icon. Gently drag it toward the left side until it goes below 50%. After that, find adaptive brightness and turn it off, so your phone stops adjusting brightness automatically in the background. Step 3. Shorten screen timeout. Still inside the display settings, scroll down slowly until you see screen timeout. Tap on it and choose 30 seconds. This ensures your screen doesn't stay on longer than needed when you are not using your phone. Step 4. Turn on dark mode. Now go back one step to the main display page. At the top of the screen, you'll see light, dark mode options. Select dark mode. This is especially useful for AMOLED screens because black pixels use less power. Step 5. Disable always on display. Return to the main settings menu. Now open lock screen settings, sometimes labeled as lock screen and AOD depending on your model. Scroll until you find always on display. Tap the switch to turn it off completely, or enter the menu and disable it there. This prevents your screen from staying partially active all the time. Step 6. Switch off 5G when not needed. Go back to settings again and tap connections. Inside that, choose mobile networks. Now tap network mode and select an option like LTE Tier 3G to 2G only, anything without 5G. This reduces power usage when you don't need ultra-fast internet. Step 7. Stop background scanning, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open settings, then scroll to location. Tap on location services. Now look for Wi-Fi scanning, Bluetooth scanning. Turn both of them off to stop hidden background scanning that drains battery silently. Step 8. Disable nearby device scanning. Go back to settings, connections. Scroll down and tap more connection settings. Find nearby device scanning and switch it off. This feature constantly searches for nearby Samsung devices, which can waste battery. Step 9. Reduce unnecessary notifications. Open settings once again and go to notifications. Tap on app notifications. Now slowly go through the list and turn off apps you don't need alerts from. Fewer notifications means fewer background wake-ups. Step 10. Enable battery protection 80% limit. Head into settings. Battery. Tap on battery protection. Turn it on and choose the maximum 80% option. This prevents your battery from overcharging and reduces long-term wear. Step 11. Put unused apps to sleep. Still inside the battery menu, look for background usage limits. Enable the option called Put Unused Apps to Sleep. This stops rarely used apps from secretly running in the background. Step 12. Turn off fast charging if heating occurs. Inside battery settings, find charging settings. Switch off fast charging, super fast charging, fast wireless charging. This helps reduce heat, which is a major cause of battery drain. Step 13. Enable power saving mode. Finally, go back to the battery section and turn on power saving mode. After enabling it, restart your phone once for best results. This mode reduces background activity, limits performance slightly, and helps your phone last much longer. After applying all these steps carefully, your Samsung phone should feel much more stable with less overnight battery drain, lower screen power usage, reduced background activity, cooler device temperature. The key idea is simple. Your phone is not broken, it just needs smarter settings optimization.